today, you don't know, it's your girl Queen B, I mean Queen M, MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what did them? Today is February 5th, Tuesday, 2018. I'm heading to Skincare and Body Studio to do my facial, but trying to locate Stephanie. I'm supposed to meet her, but I'm not see her. Hopefully I get to her. Hopefully I get to her. And hopefully she's up there waiting on me. Seems like her phone died or something. But she's smart. I think she's at the place. Yeah, so guys, today, oh, I'm a little dark about here, so guys, a little update on my workout. I haven't worked out in like a month because of my accident, and hopefully I start back by the middle of the month here, 28th, because I have to sleep for my birthday. Yes. I'm gonna put on no weight and thing. I see her puff them inside, and I go like me not see her and sit. But I'm gonna say she a tear up, you know. And see. Hello. Yes, okay, I'll talk to you.
Oh, girl, sorry. You don't know it's Punki and Melica in the building.
Yo! What do you mean already, you know? I want them though.
Okay.
Them.
So Melica go check her weight right now.
I'm so obsessed, right?
Yeah. And me I walk with her, so. Me say, you're a real joker. Where you go with shoes?
Alright. You're saying 163.
I mean saying alright.
Why you never feel so something?
No, I scale me try go on. What, 1 pound off? Yeah. Why pay?
It's okay.
No man, that's what I'm
Come here, say. Right here. Like, are you operate me now? You're question mark. Are you operate this? Because I know how skill operate. Like, somebody was trying to be fresh with us, and we were like,
can't fresh with it.
Back up. You know? So we're gonna look if we see apple cider vinegar. I don't know why, because I'm not purchasing it right now because I have at home.
You know, someone wanted to meet here. By the way, YouTubers, apple cider vinegar is good for the hair. Right?
Wait, that's a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna look if I see it in here. Yes, it's in here.
Oh, you know, yes.
I know if it's pot apple cider vinegar from a mile away. The right one. So this is the right one. With the mother in it.
Mummy in there, no?
You have to have the mother. Stephanie, supposed to drop it.
Yeah.
I love a product, you know, bro. You know, easy to stomach, but it work magic.
I feel bad when you have to make it.
The white one is good for your hair too as well. So guys, I went to do the thing to my face, the procedure, but it's too it's gonna be sensitive on my skin, and my skin is gonna be swollen in the morning, so I can't do it today because I have work in the morning and I have some reports that I need to finish. So I have to wait until I get like a 3 days off from work to really do it, because my skin is going to experience excessive stripping as well. So it's not a peel, because I've done peels before. So this is like microdermabrasion. That's the name of the procedure. It's going to target the spot layers in my skin with some fine needles. You know, sort it out and thing. So I am going to look on some pastry stuff, even though I'm not supposed to eat any pastry.
Yes, true.
I can eat what I want. The scale just said I'm 161.
Ooh.
I was 150, like 55. I put on like a couple pound weight.
Yes, 5. What? 5 more pounds you put on.
Yeah. When we start about gym, I know I'm going to take it off back. So.
Which pastry you look on them. More go over fearless before but you go out on shoes.
Stephanie, I'm tell you this.
Promise her.
Oh, for mama?
Yeah.
Lucky see for mama and coming in, you know, excessive walking with you, bro.
Want to take picture of the battery there.
Mama said she want you to wear a church? Really enough, you're eating none of this, bro.
And that's after them might say, here what? Let's put on one of these ones.
You think we
So
should
that
buy
the
cake?
chocolate still dry.
Yeah, I want them to eat. I ate a piece of cake this morning already.
You understand? Or maybe it's on teeth or something.
Oh gosh. Stephanie, this is so tempting. My cake that look flat though. After this cake I broke up. No, this is not worth it. This is not worth it, bro. You best buy a cake mix and deal with it. Not buy no muffin, that not good for me. I have self-control. Anyways guys, we're heading to Palace now. We're gonna look at shoes for mama. And yeah.
48,000.
So guys, we're at Fantana now. We're gonna handle some business. They have some cute accent pieces in here. I like this gold pineapple.
Let's go touch it. Let's do not touch it, right? Fragile.
Yeah, they have some nice accent pieces like aqua. Punki, see color maroon. Like this is so cute, right? I like it.
New item.
But they say me a harder. I buy stuff that I don't really need. But once I like it. Definitely you're not gonna wear it, so why bother?
They'll put on the Spanish Festival at school and I'm inviting you to come and watch me present. Spanish Festival, March the 23rd. Yeah.
Present what?
Our class got country Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico. So we have to dress up and all glam and all, and we have to sing Spanish song or whatever.
That's why teacher portray so. See the thing here, what I buy for your room.
Yeah.
But I silver one. You can buy silver one them for your room.
How much you doing?
2,000 something. The silver one them that I think you have to use your accent pieces for your room to silver. Like a mine a gold.
I don't want to spend me there in my room. Seriously, may try cut out time mirror business. Everywhere mommy will kill you in mirror, in a mirror will kill me.
I like mirror them. So guys, we're gonna deal with some stuff and be on our way.
What do you want to do? 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 What do you want